Hi everyone, this is Arlen. Many teachers know that using images found on the internet that are not licensed for reuse or in the public domain is a violation of copyright law. Most think that students and teachers are free to use any images for school use since they consider it fair use. While copyright and fair use can be complicated, fair use does not provide permission to use images that are not licensed for reuse or are not in the public domain. The Explore button in Google Docs and Slides is always my first choice for finding copyright-friendly images. With some topics, the Explore button may not provide the results that are needed. There are a number of useful sites that provide copyright-friendly images. Navigating through the different sites can sometimes be frustrating. Today, I'd like to show you how a Google custom search engine can be used to search 10 copyright-friendly image sites using only one search box. The custom search engine can be found on the BASD Teacher Tech Tools webpage. To use the search engine, simply type the name of the topic in the search box and click the search button. The first results will open the web results. Click the Image tab to see only image results. Be sure to make a note of the source of the image to list in a bibliography or works cited. Hope that you will find the search engine useful and that you will share it with your students when they're looking for images to use for projects and assignments. Thank you.